Kumsi bentaban I mean see miki kena puli ki bawan shakmat haki jing puli ki jongki kenang ba ken yai beteng ban tre sistem susu. Haka si pele jongka tayo ki bor penya jongka City University kabana Punjab kalapan long ya ka Megpan 1.0 hasilong club haka ba kala ai khusnam miki kena puli bad ya nonghikai skul.
Hagani ke jingyalang keladon hadok prapungut ki kena pulih ke beliau pediang ya ke Shining Star Award balai khusnam ru ki nonghikai halor ke jing treshtom jongki hakaban no senyang shiki imlang salang kam tame hakaban penwandur ke perkat perdan jiki kena pulih ha ke jela TTC marak ubolong Principal Chief Conservator of Forest barem ke jela kum kongsan badu Presiden ke Shillong Press Club uba David Latplang kum usumbut kongsan kledon lang Hagabau Pro Chancellor Jongka City University Dr. Manbir Singh balawan menyesem bentar di kena naklai potuliki skul. Gamek pun 1.0 kedik senjam men itu egejing terishtom jongki kena pulia dak buan chakhamat ki eksamen jongki bat ban aimen sia meki bakin beteng ya kena kakam ka babha kenang bakin long kum ginong aimen sia meki weipat bat ban kentiuru ya ka pulih putih ha kejela. Dr. Manbir ulapan pau kejing sengutanat bani open long ya kan kejing ai khusnam na kebenta ban ai kerpang gi prapungut gi kena pule ke belawan chakmat ha kejing pule bat kamtam na kebenta ki nonghikai skul ke bela trishtom ban ai kejing hikai ke bapakai ki kena skul ki belio ki kerdan ha ka top 20 jong ke eksamen SSLC ke badang syudam Kaganun PCN kalayo ekalat benekran bu Dr. Manbir Singh haka ba ulabatai ka thong jong ne jing ai ka khusnam bar ulabatai ru shpang ka City University ka badan ha Ludhiana ha Punjab Uni Pro Chancellor ulakantu ki khna ka jala Meghalaya bakin let pule haki kardan bapher ha ka skul ba na ka bentaban sandur ya kalawe jongki
Dr. Singh, can you tell us something about City University?
First of all, my greetings to all the viewers. CT Group started in 1997. We have around 10,000 students studying with us in 4 mega campuses of Punjab and pre-nursery to PhD. We are running almost all the courses and CT University is a very unique university and we are giving good amount of training and placements to the students and our prime objective is to give quality education and train the students as per their passion.
What are the flagship program of City University?
Every university has many programs, but many universities have some set of programs which are very unique and flagship. City University started with programs like artificial intelligence, cyber security, robotics, and recently, especially for the students of Northeast, we have started integrated IAS programs. So you can opt for BAIS, BCom IAS, BTech IAS, whereby you can complete your degree and study IAS, IPS courses during your degree. And after that you can appear for UPSC examinations and that saves you a lot of time and money because a lot of Northeastern students they opt for UPSC exams and they wish to go for IAS. So these are the unique programs we are offering to the students of Northeast.
What is the main objective of observing Shining Star event in Meghalaya?
MACPAN, we call it Meghalaya Punjab Initiative. This event specially kept for students from Meghalaya to honor them, respect them, appreciate them, motivate them so that they got good marks in the recent examinations. We salute them. We respect their parents who have put so much efforts and helped the kids. They gave them liberty to study hard so that they can bring 90% marks and they can become good citizens of this country and they can do well for themselves and City University feels honored in honoring them.
Can you highlight 3 points why students should join City University?
There are numerous points, more than 3, but the major points will say we are giving a platform where students can flourish, they can speak, they can learn, they can do endless opportunities they have to do so many things at the university. We have students from almost all the countries, all the states of India. We've got students from 28 countries of Africa. It's a very diverse university. So there you learn from each other, different cultures, different food, different languages. That's one thing to learn. Then we've got array of courses. We've got 100 plus courses in university you can choose from. Every course is associated with industry. We don't have any course without industry affiliations. And third and the most important part is the student-centric approach of the management. We keep on meeting students, we keep on organizing many activities like open houses where students interact with us also, with the management, the chancellor, the vice chancellor, the pro-chancellor, and they get to share the experiences with us. So these are three main reasons we invite our students from the Northeast to study at City University.
Can you say something about the placement record of City University?
See, placement is very important for any university, but we focus more on the training part. Let's not skip the main part, which is the training. We start the training from the very third semester of the student. The professional enhancement starts from the very first semester. The skill starts from the second semester. All this sums up. Then the aptitude is there. A lot of GDs are held. Mock interviews are there. A lot of companies visiting. We have excellent placement record. We recently, a lot of job fairs happened in the university. And not only the students of CT University, we're organizing job fairs for the other students also. So students from other parts of the state or the country or colleges, they can come and participate in those job fairs. So we are open and helpful to everyone as far as placements are concerned.
Punjab has a hot weather, and people of Meghalaya would prefer chilled weather. Do you think the students can adjust in Punjab?
Absolutely. We give them a lot of warmth. We give them a huge welcome. And hot weather, see, Punjab is very good weather for 6 months. October to March, very good weather. 6 months, summers. Out of those 6 months, there are 7 to 8 weeks holidays also, exams. So, there are a lot of things happening during those 4 or 5 months when you're studying in that hot weather, I can say. See, studies are more important. Academics, let's focus on academics. Weather is always secondary. So, but we indulge students in so many various interesting activities that they forget these things. And they concentrate on their degree. Their focus is on studies and extracurricular activities so they can become a global citizen of this country. Thank you. I would like to give this message to all the viewers that we welcome you to Punjab, a land of cultures, rich culture. Punjab is a very welcoming state, very liberal state, very warm state, and we welcome you there with whole our heart. And I always say in the end, keep learning, keep growing, always respect your parents. Thank you.